Hello everyone, this is Rabbia. In this video we will start chapter number 6, that is differentiability. If we have equation y is equals to x square plus 3x plus 1, and if x is equals to 1, then the value of y will be 5. If x is equals to 2, then y will be 11. It means that y depends on x. Or we can say that y is the function of x because y is the dependent variable and x is independent variable. Now case 1 is derivatives of simple algebraic function. The formula is d by dx of x की पावर n. तो जो भी पावर है वो हमारे पास कोफिशिएंट बन जाएगी एंड पावर में से 1 लेस हो जाएगा. Now question number 2, find the derivatives of the following polynomial functions at any point. Part 1 is polynomial of x is equals to 2x cube minus 4x square plus 3x plus 1. Let y is equals to polynomial of x. Then y is equals to 2x cube minus 4x square plus 3x plus 1. Differentiating with respect to x. d by dx of y is equals to d by dx of this whole function. So 2x cube minus 4x square plus 3x plus 1. dy by dx is equals to, हमारे पास फॉर्मूला क्या है कि n जो है वो कोफिशिएंट बन जाएगा. तो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोफिशिएंट है, तो 3 इंटू 2 6 एंड पावर में से एक लेस तो ये स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू 4 8 x एंड प्लस 3. इसकी पावर क्या है 1 माइनस 1 तो 0 एंड x की पावर 0 इज़ 1, तो वो हम 3 लिख देंगे डायरेक्ट. Now part 2 is polynomial of x is equals to 3x की power 4 minus 3x square minus 2x minus 4. Let y is equals to polynomial of x. Y is equals to 3x की power 4 minus 3x square minus 2x minus 4. Differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is equals to dy dx of 3x4 minus 3x square minus 2x minus 4. dy by dx is equals to 4 3 is 12 x cube minus 2 into 3 6x minus 2. Now part 3 is polynomial of x is equals to minus 15x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Let y is equals to polynomial of x. Differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is equals to d by dx of this whole polynomial. 3 into minus 15 minus 45x square minus 2 into 3 6x plus 4. Now the rest of the questions are very much similar to the previous one. Now part 7 is polynomial of x is equals to x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4. First we have to simplify. Let y is equals to polynomial of x. Y is equals to x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4. मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 2x प्लस 6 इंटू एक्स प्लस 4. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 6 इंटू एक्स प्लस 4. अगेन ब्रैकेट मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स क्यूब प्लस 4x स्क्वायर plus 5x square 20x plus 6x plus 24. Y is equals to x cube plus 9x square plus 26x plus 24. Now differentiating with respect to x. Three x square plus 2 into 9 18x plus 26.